Okay, I've tried more than a few portable smoothie blender systems. This one from Ninja takes the cake, okay? Let me show you why. First of all, this is built to last. Oh my goodness. It holds its charge really well. It looks nice. Here's something you probably didn't know. The lid, instead of having it like flop down on you when you drink from this, push it back farther. It clicks into place and it will never hit you in the face. Perfectly tight seal right there. Great carrying handle. And hold on for this one. This. Now mine didn't come with this. I had to buy this separately, but did you know you could? Kind of annoying to have to lug this thing around, right? Right. Okay, so when you're done, you flip it upside down, unscrew the base, et voila. Now it's really a travel blender. And then this beautifully fits on here to keep you safe from the blades when it's not in use. That is brilliant. Let's see how she does. Let's make a smoothie. Strawberries, a little bit of kelp, maca powder, water. Turn it on first and let her rip. Sometimes it'll do that. Give it a little shake. And cheers. No leaks. Let's give it a shot. Mwah! Delicious. Go Ninja, go Ninja, go. Go Ninja, go Ninja, go.